Rohan came home all tired and hungry. And what was the first thing he did? Well, he started having food. But as soon as he started having food, his mother scolded him. And she said that he will not be allowed to have any food until he washes his hands. So, first question arises is that Rohan was so hungry. Then why didn't his mother allow him to eat the food? Why was she so stressing on washing the hands? Well, that's because eating without washing hands will make you ill. So you see, when your hands are dirty, then lots of germs and dirt goes inside your stomach and that will make you ill. So washing hands is very important. But you would say that when you are hungry, you don't feel like following any rules. But if you don't follow any rule, then you will face a lot of problems. For example, when you play a game, what exactly happens? Well, if you follow all the rules properly, only then you can play the game and you can win it. But if you don't follow the rules, you will be disqualified. You won't be able to play the game at all. Similarly, even in eating habits, there are certain rules. And only when you follow these rules, you can stay healthy. So let's see what these rules are. So the first and foremost rule is that wash your hands before and after eating anything. So you should always wash your hands before and after eating anything so that your hands are always clean, free of dirt and germs. And then the second rule is that you should always prefer eating home cooked food. So you should always have home cooked food because home cooked food is more nutritious and more healthy for you. So, can you tell me what type of food we should preferably eat? Is it home cooked food or is it outside food such as pizza, burgers, etc.? What do you think? Well, it's definitely home cooked food because home cooked food is more nutritious and healthy. Now, another rule which is very important is that we should always chew food nicely before swallowing it. That's because the food, if eaten as it is, can get stuck in our throat. So it's very important that we chew our food properly so that it can easily move through our throat and it can be properly digested by the body. Now, another important rule, which is rule number 4, and that is we should have each meal at the right time. So, when you have breakfast, it should be around 8 a.m. When you have lunch, it should be around 1 p.m. And when you have dinner, it should be around 7 p.m. So, if you maintain this time, you will have a healthy lifestyle. And what happens when you follow all the rules correctly of a game? Well, you win, isn't it? Similarly, even for healthy life, you need to follow the rules properly. And if you follow them, then you win. That is, you have a very healthy life. So you see, good food habits are very important for us being healthy. So whenever you have food next time, try to follow the 4 important rules of having food. The first rule is that you should always wash your hands before and after eating anything. The second rule is that you should preferably have home cooked food. The third rule is that you should chew your food nicely. And the fourth is that you should have food at the right time. And if you follow all these 4 rules, you will have a healthy and fit body. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.